Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 182. AMD software installer detected AMD graphic hardware in your system configuration that is not supported. So if you try to install Adrenaline driver but you get this error, there is a three possible cause based on AMD article, AMD support article. So here, the first one is embedded AMD Radeon graphics, legacy AMD Radeon graphics or the old GPU, still ATI, not the AMD, and customized AMD Radeon graphic for OEM systems. The first one, the first solution is the embedded one. So the embedded AMD Radeon graphics, you can visit AMD driver and support. Here, if you don't use this, don't use auto detect. You can use manual detect. Just click on graphics, choose the Radeon embedded, and choose your product series. For example, the HD series HD5770 embedded. You can click and you can download the driver from here. Next, for the legacy or the old GPU, if your GPU is listed here, this is the desktop and this is the mobile. For example, R9 200, R9 300, Fury series, or from the mobile version is a laptop version like R5 M300, R9 M300, or the HD series, and this is for the APU. So here you need to download the legacy one. So here choose those per product by graphics. Product family is legacy graphics and selects your graphic card from here and selects this ATI, not the AMD, ATI Radeon 500 series, for example. Submit, and then you can download the Catalyst, not the Adrenaline, the Catalyst. Next, for the OEM system, you can obtain the driver from the AMD partners and inboard original equipment and system builder configuration official website. You can click this link. So for example, if you have a all-in-one PC from Asus, Acer, and other brands, please visit their official website in order to download the firmware or the driver. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the next button below. See you in the next video.